Our next hack, which you might get a little bit more than this one, but it is design with styles. Now, a lot of people get stuck on colors and fonts and they don't know what works and all that. And do they want to go through each one and change the color, change the font? Well, this is an easy way to see what really looks good. You're going to go to your side panel here, and you're going to go to design. And this over here will pop up. It'll go template, layouts, and style. Not everyone will have this. Most of them will not have the layouts. Now, to be very honest, the number one hack of Canva is use a template. If you are not selling what you are working on, use a template. I mean, if I want to see presentations templates, it will show me ones that I have already used. And here is more results. Instead of just looking at a blank screen, go ahead and grab one and then make it work for you. But it's not really what I'm going to show you right now. And another little tidbit here, if you have like your brand board set up, you can do layouts that match your brand. You can go down and pick which one you like. If you're creating your own slides and you're like, oh, I need this to look a little different, or let's go, see how that has these a little different. This text is in a box. This is smaller on the side. And then down here, I even saw them, big text, and then these are on. I like that. Let's say if I wanted to do that. There we go. Now, styles. That's where the colors and the fonts are going to come in. You could if you have a color palette and brand fonts, you can automatically just go like this and see how it's shuffling through. Let me pick whatever ones I really want. I don't mind that one. Let's go ahead. And then my brand fonts, I want to change it to my brand fonts. There we go. I have totally made this presentation slide right here in my brand colors and fonts. But what if you don't want to do that? You can still change the fonts and the colors. Let's go down, and here's some combinations. Let's see them all. They give some great color right here, and then fonts to go with it. So they do the title and subtitle here too. So that is awesome. Let's go ahead and let's do this one. Look at that, just changed it. Now you keep seeing these apply to all pages. Well, let's go apply to all pages. Look at that, it changed all of them. Not bad, huh? Not bad at all. Now, if you you don't want to change the font at all, you just want to change colors, then you can come down here to color palettes and pick one and just keep shuffling until you find what you like. And then we can apply to all pages. There you go. Now, if you just want to change the font, you could do that too. You just go font sets, and let's go over here to see what hits, like, what do I want over here? Let's go ahead and do this one. Right? And then I can apply to all pages. And there we go. That works nice, huh? If you're kind of stuck with colors and fonts, just make sure you go to design, and templates and styles will pop up. It's just this is a presentation, the layouts. But that was because I was able to show you guys a little extra there too. All right, on to the next one.